Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chat. I'm Lisa.
Hi, friends. I'm Mark.
Today's topic is very real.
Yes, my alarm did not ring today.
You will learn easy English about mornings and daily routine.
Let's start.
Okay, Mark, tell me, what happened to you today?
My alarm did not ring today.
Oh no! What time did you wake up?
At 8:30 a.m.
Late.
Yes, very late. My alarm usually rings at 6 a.m.
Why didn't it ring?
I think I forgot to charge my phone.
Common mistake.
Yes, phone was dead.
So, no alarm.
Exactly.
What did you do then?
I jumped out of bed.
Rushed.
Yes, very fast.
Brushed teeth quickly.
Yes, 30 seconds.
Shower.
Cold shower, no time for hot.
Breakfast.
No time, grabbed a banana.
Ran to bus stop.
Caught the bus?
Yes, just in time.
Lucky.
Yes. Now, let's practice sentences about alarm problems.
Repeat after me. My alarm did not ring today.
My alarm did not ring today.
Again.
My alarm did not ring today.
I woke up late.
I woke up late.
I forgot to charge my phone.
I forgot to charge my phone.
I overslept.
I overslept.
I was in a hurry.
I was in a hurry.
I rushed to work.
I rushed to work.
I missed breakfast.
I missed breakfast.
I caught the bus.
I caught the bus.
I made it on time.
I made it on time.
Good.
What if alarm rings but you sleep again?
I hit snooze.
Snooze button is dangerous.
Yes, 5 more minutes becomes 30.
Common problem.
Yes.
What if power cut?
No electricity, no alarm.
Use battery clock.
Good idea.
What if phone on silent?
Alarm still rings, but no sound.
Vibration only.
Yes.
Now, role play. Talking with friend.
Hi, you look tired.
Yes, my alarm didn't ring.
Oh no, what happened?
Phone was dead.
Did you charge it?
Forgot last night.
Late for work?
Yes, rushed a lot.
Did you make it?
Yes, just in time.
Lucky.
Yes. Another role play with colleague.
Good morning. You're late today.
Yes, alarm problem.
What happened?
Overslept.
Hit slows too many times?
Happens to me too.
What do you do?
I put alarm far from bed.
Good idea.
Try it.
I will.
Now, more sentences.
Repeat. I overslept this morning.
I overslept this morning.
My phone died.
Oh no, phone died? That's a classic reason.
Yes, I forgot to charge it last night.
Happens to everyone at least once.
I think it happens to me every month.
You need a habit for charging.
Yes, maybe plug it in every night after dinner.
Good plan. Small habit, big help.
Exactly.
What did you do when you saw the time?
I panicked a little.
Jumped out of bed?
Yes, straight to bathroom.
Brushed teeth in record time?
20 seconds.
Shower?
Very quick. Cold water.
No time for hot shower.
No.
Clothes?
Grabbed yesterday's shirt.
Emergency mode.
Yes.
Breakfast?
No time. Take an apple.
Healthy choice anyway.
Ran to the door.
Shoes on?
Yes, while running.
Bus or car?
Bus. Almost missed it.
Did you catch it?
Yes, just in time.
Lucky day.
Very lucky.
Now, let's practice more sentences.
Repeat after me. My phone died last night.
My phone died last night.
Again. My phone died last night.
My phone died last night.
I forgot to charge it.
I forgot to charge it.
I woke up late.
I woke up late.
I rushed to work.
I rushed to work.
I missed breakfast.
I missed breakfast.
I caught the bus.
I caught the bus.
Good.
What if alarm rang but you turned it off?
I hit snooze.
Dangerous button.
Yes, 5 minutes becomes 45.
Common habit.
Very common.
What if power cut?
No electricity, no alarm.
Use battery clock as backup.
Smart idea.
Or multiple alarms.
Yes, on phone and clock.
Safe.
Now, role play, friend.
Hi, you look tired.
Yes, alarm didn't ring.
Why?
Phone died.
Forgot to charge?
Yes.
Late?
Very.
Rushed?
Yes.
Made it.
Yes.
Good.
Role play. Boss.
You're late today.
Sorry, alarm problem.
What happened?
Phone died.
Next time, charge it.
Yes, sorry.
Okay, start work.
Thank you.
Now, more sentences.
Repeat. I hit snooze.
I hit snooze.
I overslept.
I overslept.
I forgot to set alarm.
I forgot to set alarm.
I was late.
I was late.
I rushed.
I rushed.
I made it.
I made it. Good practice. Tips to avoid it.
Charge phone every night.
Set alarm for 6 a.m.
Put alarm far from bed.
No snooze.
Use 2 alarms.
1 on phone, 1 clock.
Backup plan.
Sleep early.
10 p.m.
No phone in bed.
Yes.
Morning routine fast.
Clothes ready night before.
Bag packed.
Breakfast simple.
Banana or toast.
Good.
Viewer practice.
Say, my alarm did not ring.
My alarm did not ring.
Again.
My alarm did not ring.
I woke up late.
I woke up late.
I forgot to charge.
I forgot to charge.
I rushed.
I rushed.
Good.
Challenge.
In the comments, write what you do when your alarm doesn't ring.
Example. My alarm didn't ring. I rushed and ate breakfast on the bus.
Write in English.
We read all.
Thank you for watching.
You stayed till the end.
That's consistency.
You are amazing.
God bless you.
Before we go, one small request from our side.
If you enjoyed this episode on My Alarm Did Not Ring Today, please click the like button right now. It really helps us a lot.
And if you want more easy and fun English conversations every week, please subscribe to Daily English Chat and turn on the bell notification.
Don't forget to share this video with a friend who also has alarm problems. You can laugh about it together.
Thank you so much for being with us today. Keep practicing, keep waking up on time.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care.
Bye-bye.